Hi there, little explorers. Welcome to Curious Minds. Have you ever wondered what it's like to be as small as a bug? Imagine a world full of tiny creatures with big secrets. Today, we're going on an adventure into the secret world of bugs. Let's explore. Let's start with bees. Did you know that bees have a special dance to tell their friends where to find flowers? It's called the waggle dance. This dance tells the other bees how far and in what direction the flowers are. Isn't that amazing? Bees are like little flying GPS devices. Now, let's visit the ants. Ants are incredible team players. They can build entire underground cities with bedrooms, food storage, and even nurseries for baby ants. And guess what? Some ants can lift things 50 times their own weight. That's like you lifting a car. Have you ever seen fireflies glowing at night? They use their lights to talk to each other and find friends. This magical glow is called bioluminescence. Every firefly species has its own special pattern, like a secret code. It's their way of saying, "Hey, look at me." Now let's meet the grasshoppers. These little jumpers can leap 20 times their body length. Imagine jumping across your whole backyard in one go. Grasshoppers use their strong back legs to jump away from predators. They're the superheroes of the bug world. Want to explore the bug world up close? Here's a fun activity. You can make a bug habitat. Find a clear jar, add some leaves and twigs, and carefully catch a bug to observe. Just remember to let it go when you're done. Bugs belong in their natural home. Thanks for joining me on this bug-tastic adventure. Remember, bugs may be tiny, but they have big jobs in nature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another story. See you next time. Bye.